And my instruction is just merely to give you the address of today's press conference. First of all, I want to inform you that IKWERE as an ethnic nationality is not Igbo. And after this, I have to go into my detailed preamble. IKWERE ethnic nationality is never a subgroup of any ethnic nation in Nigeria or elsewhere. IKWERE ethnic nationality is one of the ethnic blocks which constitute the present day of Nigeria. And the people are found in 4 local government areas in the present day of Rivers State. The local government areas are as follows: IKWERE, which is commonly called Kelga; Emoha, which the local government is Nemolga; Obiakpo, Obaga, and Port Harcourt City called Falga. IKWERE remains a homogeneous ethnic group with a common ancestry and paternity. In this stead, we make the following documentary statements, which are as follows. 1. IKWERE people are from Rivers State and the Niger Delta region of Nigeria. The people have their unique culture and traditions. The declaration of Obaki IKWERE Cultural Organization during the Oputa Human Rights Violence Panel of 2001 says that IKWERE ethnic nationality is not and has never been a subgroup of any other tribe in Nigeria, including Igbo, which will suffice here. The Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria of 1999, 2010, as amended, and recognizes IKWERE ethnic nationality as a distinct and unique ethnic group in Nigeria. The people of IKWERE frown at any attempt by some Igbo expansionists to incorporate IKWERE as a subset or subgroup of any other ethnic group in Nigeria or elsewhere. We acknowledge some shared similarities between IKWERE and her neighbors, including the Igbo, in terms of aspect of culture and traditions. However, this does not in any way validate the bogus and unverified claims that IKWERE is Igbo, has been peddled by Igbo passionists. The IKWERE ethnic nationality wishes to inform the general public, and particularly the whole world, that Obaki IKWERE has not mandated any person or group to speak on her behalf or label us as part of any ethnic group in Nigeria. Ogbakor IKWERE cultural organizations worldwide remains the apex and umbrella body of the IKWERE people. Whether it is here in Nigeria or diaspora, including United Kingdom, United States of America, United Kingdom, United States of America, and other countries. It is the only authentic voice to speak on behalf of IKWERE ethnic nationality. Ogbakor IKWERE cultural organization will continue to remain loyal to the federal government of Nigeria, and we are not part of Biafra at all in any circumstance or its agitators. We are peace-loving and very hospitable people, and will not want the peaceful disposition to be taken for granted or as a weakness or cowardice. Finally, we are calling on the federal government of Rivers State, the State Commissioner of Police, and other security agencies to act swiftly against individuals, no matter how highly they are placed, or any group of persons who are creating maps, including IKWERE, to include IKWERE as part of Biafra, with derogatory and inflammatory statements against the IKWERE people. Most importantly, ladies and gentlemen, including the Ochohas here present, in many cases, some rumors can be fact. It is now rumored that Ohaneze Ndi Igbo intends to make an IKWERE man the President General of Ogbakor IKWERE. I'm sorry, of Ohaneze Ndi Igbo. However, any person, no matter highly placed, who may decide to accept this offer eventually becomes an enemy to IKWERE people and a persona non grata. Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, I would like to thank you so much for your rapt attention, and would like you to be properly guided as we pray God to strengthen and embody us to always speak the truth and nothing but the truth. We do not also support any expansionist meeting or meetings in Rivers State, as it will cause a lot of mayhem. It will cause agitations among the people of the state. This press release is duly executed and signed today, being the 9th day of January 2025, and also signed by Eze Barrister Godspower Onuekwa, PhD, KSC, Justice of the Peace, whom today is the President General of Ogbakor IKWERE Cultural Organization worldwide. And in order to validate this document I've presented to you, it is also signed by a legal luminary in person of Barrister Nyebuchi Phillips, who is also the Secretary General of Obiri Ikwerre Cultural Organization worldwide. Thank you.